The Ferrari 458 is a masterpiece of Italian engineering that blends breathtaking design, extreme performance, and pure emotional driving pleasure into one of the most iconic supercars ever created. And in today's full detailed review, we are diving deep into every angle: exterior, interior, engine, handling, technology, sound, comfort, reliability, and real-world driving experience to understand why the 458 remains a dream machine for enthusiasts worldwide. Starting with the exterior, the Ferrari 458 Italia features a sculpted aerodynamic body penned by Pininfarina with sleek lines, wide air intakes, sharp LED headlights, and a low aggressive stance that gives the car an unmistakable road presence. While the design isn't just for looks, Ferrari spent hours in the wind tunnel to perfect airflow, reduce drag, and increase downforce, especially at high speeds where the flexible winglets in the front bumper automatically adjust to direct air efficiently, making the car both faster and more stable. From the side profile, the flowing curves, large side vents, and 20-inch forged wheels make the 458 look like a moving piece of art even when standing still. And at the rear, the signature triple exhaust pipes, wide LED taillights, and massive rear diffuser complete the race-inspired aesthetic that Ferrari owners love. Under the hood, or more accurately behind the driver, sits the heart of the 458, a 4.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine that produces an astonishing 562 horsepower and 540 newton-meters of torque, revving all the way up to a screaming 9,000 RPM, delivering one of the most addictive engine notes in automotive history, a sound that blends pure mechanical aggression with Italian musicality, giving drivers a sensation that modern turbocharged engines simply cannot replicate. Paired with the 7-seat dual-clutch transmission that shifts faster than the blink of an eye, the Ferrari 458 rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds and reaches a top speed of 325 kilometers per hour, making it not only incredibly fast, but also incredibly smooth thanks to the gearbox that provides seamless acceleration. Handling is another area where the 458 shines. Using advanced technologies like eDiff3 electronic differential, F1 track traction control, magnetorheological suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes, all working together to keep the car planted, agile, and confidence-inspiring whether you're on a tight mountain road or a high-speed racetrack, giving drivers razor-sharp steering feedback and unmatched precision that makes the car feel like an extension of your body. Step inside the cabin and you'll find a driver-focused interior inspired by Formula One, featuring a multi-function steering wheel with integrated switches for indicators, wipers, driving modes, and even engine start, meaning everything is designed to keep your hands on the wheel at all times. While the leather and Alcantara materials provide a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere combined with carbon fiber trim and supportive racing seats that hug you during spirited driving. And although the infotainment system is fairly minimal compared to modern supercars, the focus here is purely on driving, with essential digital displays, performance data, and customizable settings that keep you connected to the machine. Comfort in the Ferrari 458 is surprisingly good for a supercar, with decent ride quality thanks to the adaptive suspension, making the car usable for daily driving if you choose. Although cargo space is limited and the car sits low, which might challenge some road conditions, but the overall balance between comfort and performance is impressive for a vehicle of this caliber. On the road, the Ferrari 458 delivers a raw yet refined driving experience, responding instantly to throttle inputs, cornering with exceptional sharpness, and providing a thrilling sensation that never gets old, whether you're accelerating through tunnels to hear the V8 scream or cruising on the highway while enjoying the smooth gearbox and stable ride. And unlike newer turbo models, the naturally aspirated engine gives you a linear power delivery that makes the car feel more alive and connected. Reliability-wise, the 458 has proven to be one of Ferrari's more dependable models, with fewer mechanical issues compared to older Ferraris, especially since the transmission and engine components are built to handle high-performance driving. But maintenance costs remain high, as expected for an exotic supercar, and owners must stay on top of servicing, tire replacements, and brake inspections. The The 458 also introduced advanced safety and structural improvements, giving drivers more confidence at high speed. And while it lacks modern driver assistance features like lane keeping or adaptive cruise control, the purity of the driving experience is exactly what enthusiasts admire. In the world of supercars, the Ferrari 458 holds a legendary status because it represents the final generation of naturally aspirated V8 Ferraris before the brand shifted to turbocharging, making it a collectible masterpiece that continues to rise in value as more people recognize its importance in automotive history, combining technology, emotion, and design into a package that feels timeless. Whether you look at the iconic styling, the unmatched engine sound, the precise handling, or the luxurious interior, the 458 remains a benchmark for what a true driver's car should be. And even today, more than a decade after its launch, it continues to impress with performance that rivals modern supercars, while delivering a driving feel that many say Ferrari has never fully replicated. In conclusion, the Ferrari 458 is more than a car. It's an emotion, a symbol of passion, speed, and craftsmanship that every car lover dreams of experiencing. And if you ever get the chance to see one, drive one, or own one, you'll understand why this machine remains one of the greatest supercars ever built.